So now that we have some actions made, we might want to take them to another computer. So we can organize our actions by creating folders. So down here at the bottom of the actions palette, we've got the little folder. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to call this one sizing. And okay, so it's down here at the bottom. So these are my different sizing actions. So I'm going to click on the first one, hold the shift key, click on the last one, and I'm going to drag them down here to this little folder. So now they're all contained neatly. If I want, I can drag this up into here at the very top if that's where I choose to have it. And now if I want to save it, I can just come over here to this flyout, all these little lines right here, this little button, and we're going to go down here to Save Actions. And it's called sizing.atn. ATN is the extension for an action. I'm going to put it onto my desktop. Close this up. Close that up. And right here is my action. To save this action, I can put it onto my external hard drive, a flash drive, whatever, and then take it to whatever computer I want to install it on. Take it off of that hard drive, and to open it into Photoshop, just double click on it. Boom, boom. And it will load into Photoshop. Notice now I have two sizing actions here. They're both the same. Okay? To get rid of this one, I just click on it and I'll hit the trash can. It's gone. And that's all there is to it.